Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing some beautiful water candles at home, and it is a tutorial and I'm gonna teach you how you can make it easily at home. So let's start the video. So for making the gorgeous candles we need some small size glass bowls, 2-3 pieces of plastic glasses, a scissor, half cup of oil, then we need some colors, some cotton, and that's it. And now let's begin the video. At first you need to pour some water into these bowls, and now we are going to add some colors onto it. Here I am using yellow, green and pink. You can use whatever color you want. And now we have to add some oil above these colors. Now we have to cut those plastic glasses into small tiny pieces. And now we have to cut small square shaped holes in between those pieces. And now we have to give a shape of the curtain like this. And now we have to put this curtain into those plastic pieces, and then the pieces into the bowls, and yes, they are ready now.